I'll leave it. I know he never fails. Nothing's impossible. Nothing is too hard for him. He is more than able. Yahweh is ever faithful. I'm serving a living God, and he will always make a way. And I know he'll do exceedingly abundantly for me. He has done it before. He will do it again. He's the God of the detail. He will always answer prayer. Jehovah Jireh is watching over. Serve a living God, oh. Alpha and Omega. Every word that he promised, it's coming, coming. I know he's working in my favor. Every word that he promised, it's coming, coming. Rock of Ages, my only provider, the miracle worker. He always remember. He will finish what he started in me. He will never forget. And I know he'll do exceedingly abundantly for me. He has done it before. He will do it again. He's the God of the detail. He will always answer prayer. Jehovah Jireh is watching over. Serve a living God, oh. Alpha and Omega. Every word that he promised, it's coming, coming. I know he's working in my favor. Every word that he promised, it's coming, coming. Joy overflowing, celebration loading. Cause every promise, it's coming, coming. Peace like a river, no need to bother. Cause every promise, it's coming, coming. Joy overflowing, celebration loading. Cause every promise, it's coming, coming. Peace like a river, no need to bother, no. Cause every promise, it's coming, 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 coming to pass. My only provider, miracle worker. You always remember. In the rock of ages, my only provider, miracle worker. You always remember. In the oh no, it's coming, 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 coming to pass. Oh no, yeah, no, it's coming, 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 coming to pass.
If not by works, I no get chance. Not by your grace, where I take advance. Oh Lord, your word be the substance. Anything else, no free stand. Opinions, don't care about opinions. Oh, your word's the only foundation I stand on. Opinions, don't need their opinions. Oh no. Your word's the only foundation I stand on. My protector, rock with a feet to shut up. He be my guidance. Other guns are sinking sand. Other guns they falter. Rock with a feet to shut up. He be
Father. I'm grateful that you call me your own. Imperfect, I've tried and tried to do it alone, yeah. But I'll never stop chasing after you. Oh, no, yeah. But as long as the sun rises, I'll keep on running, running. You have the final word. All I see is you, yeah. You're bigger than any situation. Even when I thought it was over, yeah. You came and wrapped me in your arms. You wrapped me in your warm embrace. When the storms keep raging on, I close my eyes, cause that's the way I can hear your voice. And I shut my mind from all the troubles that just may come, yeah. And I trust your word, cause that's the way I keep holding on and on. Oh, but as long as the sun rises, I'll keep on running, running. You have the final word. Oh, all I see is you, yeah. You're bigger than any situation. Even when I thought it was over, yeah. You came and wrapped me in your arms. You wrapped me in your warm embrace. I don't have to cry no more. Don't have to cry no more. You've made me whole again. You've made me whole again. I don't have to cry no more. Don't have to cry. You wrap me in your arms. You wrap me in your warm embrace. All I see is you, yeah. You're bigger than any situation. Even when I thought it was over, yeah. You came and wrapped me in your arms. You wrapped me in your warm embrace. All I see is you, oh God, only you. You're bigger than any situation. Bigger than any situation. Even when I thought it was over, yeah. You came and wrapped me in your arms. You wrapped me in your warm embrace. Don't have to cry no more. Don't have to cry no more. You made me whole again. You made me whole again. I don't have to cry no more. Don't have to cry no more. Yeah, you wrap me in your warm embrace.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Since you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica, and my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today, and why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point.
Yo, chat, what up, chat? Good morning, what's up, what's up? Happy Wednesday, everyone. How you guys doing? Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go.
Pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays, Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God to direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And
What's up, chat? How you guys doing, man? How you guys doing?
is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence. I've always believed in myself. And I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember...
All right, gang. What's up? How you guys doing, chat? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to the live stream. What's up? What's up? Shout out to 18 viewers right now. Shout out to you guys. For today's candles, I believe we're just, chopping around here. Chopping around. Chopping around. Do, 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 do. 170 pips today, but from 3353. Wow. Good job, bro. 3352 here, yeah. Yeah, that's good. After support form on the 15. That's really good. Hello, good morning. What's up? Welcome to the live stream. Yeah, you push up here. Nice. Nice. Yeah, resistance of lots of news upcoming today. Yep. Today, Wednesday. Yeah. So you have this is gonna be red folder. Yeah. It will give you volume, so be careful on ADP. And 6 p.m., 6:30. Man, 3 news today. Friday NFP news. Yesterday, I didn't take any trades because I don't like the price action yesterday. So I sit my hands. No trades. So yeah, let's see if we're gonna have some trades today, chat. So you guys ready for the day? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready for the top down analysis here. Guys, ready, be ready. All right, so weekly time frame. So the weekly, we still have 2 days and 14 hours on the close on the weekly. And if this candle close bullish, man, bullish above the range, should be above the range and able for you to push up further, right? Should be up here above the range and able for you to push up on the monthly time frame. So yeah, so the monthly is gonna look like this. If the weekly close bullish above, it's gonna look like this on the month. Yeah. Yeah, time frame correlation. So it's gonna look like that in the monthly, but let's see if the candle close above the range. But if the candle close respecting, there is probability that the candle, the next weekly candle will drive down bearish, the same like this candle on price, right? Possible new all-time high because of some war happening in tariff right now. There is something with Ukraine and Russia once again. So let's see, because if there is a war, the gold's always rising up, right? And we know that we're just rising up towards to the upside here, as you can see on the monthly. We're just pushing up towards to the upside. All right. The people keep buying gold, buying. But you need to see some correction here. You need to see some correction down here first before rising up towards to the upside, right? That's the price actions will tells you. All right, weekly time frame. We need to see close above the range, enable for us to push further up. And if the weekly close respecting, you will see move towards to the downside, the same this candle. Let's see, but let's drop down to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, as you can see, we're just creating some structure here. We're just ranging on this structure, right? Resistance and support. But the good thing, we're not trading daily time frame. That's why I'm just basing on the support and resistance the structure has been created in the past. So basically right now we have created resistance once again. You didn't push further up, but you have resistance up here. And for me, my pattern is all about trading. It's all about the pattern, right? So my pattern here is you create some sort of resistance here. Right now, I don't know if this is gonna be mirror or the same like this kind of candle mirror or this candle mirror. Let's see, because right now we have news later on tonight on the NY session. So we might see some volume. Once you re-break the previous candle, the current candle right now, once you re-break this, you will see move like this. At least wick fill on the left hand side. You need to wick fill on the left, right? Because in the 4-hour time frame here you will see some structure and some clean range towards to the downside. And as you can see, you have support level here. This is your clean traffic, right? See, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, the clean traffic is massive range, almost 600 pip range on the price. So we're gonna look for that. Right now, the 4-hour time frame, I don't like that because as you can see, we're just ranging candle, right? Printing side by side in the 4-hour time frame. And as we know, the 4-hour time frame needs take time. It's 4 hour. So in 1 hour candle, you need to see four candles closing, right? Like this. So right now, the 1 hour still open up. It's gonna be closed in 6 minutes. You react here on price. Let's see, and the 30 minutes. So the 30 minutes, we're creating some structure here. High, low, lower, high, lower, lows. So, yeah. So let's see if we're gonna grab some sales today on price here, but in 15, yeah, we drive down already. 24 pip. There is no, there's volume, but it's not that, you know, big candles. Because I wanna see like this candles forming 70 pip candles, enable for us to take trades. Because right now this one is just 49, and we're heading to the minor support level right here. Yeah, let's see. But yeah, the good thing here, we're creating some sort of market structure, right? So let's see, man. Let's see. Let's see. So if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. We move down, we move further down. What's the candle mirror? It's just based on my experience, the mirror of the candle on the past. As you can see, this one, this one. It's all about price action, bro. Right? How, I mean, this is I'm basing off my experience in the past 1.5 year. I'm basing on the candles, the mirroring on the left hand side here, right? As you can see, we're creating, after we create some structure here, this is the resistance, right? And then now we push down, then we create some resistance once again now, and then we push down. So basically you're creating some market structure. Now you're creating some resistance once again here, and then what will happen in the past here, we're keeping pushing down after you create, after you tap this zone. So right now your probabilities is, once you create some sort of resistance, now you're anticipating that the next candle will drive down, because you have datas on the left. This is your data, right? This is the data that you need to follow, enable for you to be success in trading, right? So it's all about adapt. You need to adapt what markets brings you. You need to adapt what markets gives you. Does make sense? Because if you're gonna take buys here, no buys for me yet, right? Because we have candle close bearish in the daily time frame. But if I want to take buys, I need to see clean traffic, and I want to see price move up, not move down. And as you can see in the 4-hour time frame, we move down here, and then right now we are just consolidating in the previous candle, right? So yeah, that's how you're gonna base the mirroring of the candle. What happened in the past, you're gonna look on the left hand side on the market, the structure. And right now, yes, so right now we move down already 77. So it's like what happened in the past can still happen in the current trend. Yes, because you're just mirroring. We're just, trending on the higher time frame. As you can see now, this one moved down, and then we move up. We move down. We move up. What happened? We move down. It's just the same like that. Now you know, huh? Nobody teach you here. Nobody teach you how this candle forming in the daily time frame. Main. So chat, that's the top down analysis there. If you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. 30 minutes candle pull down here. 110 pips. Yeah, 116 pips. Move down. So, the 4-hour really cute here. Cute. Man, cute here, cute. But yeah, any close below the range here is good. Any close. We need to see volume move towards to the downside before entering a sell here. Let's see here, gang. Probably we gonna. I wanna enter on a weak entry here on price. Probably above here or here. Once we top this zone, 335 probably gonna enter. Cause yeah, I'm pretty bearish today. Oh, push down. What's up? What's up? What's up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Re-break the lows. 4-hour flip. Man. Yeah. It's forming lower lows now. Lower lows should be here. You need to re-break this. You need to create a new lows because right now, as you can see, you have lower high here, right? This is the lower low, and then this is the lower high. So if you wanna create some new lower low, you should re-break. You should break the previous candle low on the price here like this. You should do like this. So now you have a new low, right? Because in price actions tells you high here, low, high. You should, popping down. You should break the lows. Right now we don't have any lows yet, new lows. So new lows, we're gonna wait here to re-break this. So I'll tell you that this one is your high, and then this is the low. This is the high, this is the low, this is the high. So you can see how the candles, push further down, right? This is the high. So you have support here, you have resistance here, and then the structure break the previous candle of previous support. Now you create a new low. And then the high respect the previous candle high. And then you push further down after you break the support. Yeah. What's your bias now, coach? My bias is waiting. My bias today is waiting. Waiting to price stop. Probably here. Shout out to 23 viewers. Yeah, make sure you like the stream. Can I see 20 likes here? Like the stream here, gang. Even you're watching in TV, you can like the stream. Because I've seen, some people are watching their TV. So like the stream, man. Subs to the channel too. 1 hour candle, yeah, open up. I don't chat. I don't think that we can, we can have a move like a huge breakout on price this week. I believe not yet. There's no any breakouts gonna happen this week because we have an NFP on Friday. You probably see price move direction probably next week after the NFP news. Because as you can see in the higher time frame, for our time frame, we're just consolidating on price. So I probably gonna sit my hands until the setup came. But right now I need to wait. We need to wait. And as you can see, the daily candle just moved 250 something, right? The 260 pip. So on 260 pip, there is just range, probably 30, 40 pip range, clean range, right? Feel the range already on price. Chat, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. Make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel, and if you want to follow me on IG, you can follow me on IG. Boom, boom. Give me a second. All right, we're coming up. Coming up. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. We're coming up here. $50 seconds your chat. Once you tap 3358, I'm probably gonna take sell. Which is based on the 30 wick entry. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. No, no, bueno. No, bueno. No bueno, man. No, no, no. No, no, no. Doo-doo. I think might heading towards breaking previous low, but don't wanna take sell yeah because strong support na. Yeah, we cannot take sell here, 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 here because of too many support here. So let's see if this 30 close bullish. Yeah, I probably gonna take buy once the 30 close bullish to retest the high here. Let's see. Let's see. 6 minutes and 30 seconds for the close on the 30. Looks good for buys up. We have 58 pip range going up. Yeah, 4 hours still open here. I wanna see close bullish like this. Good. You re-break the previous candle low. Okay, to retest the high. So this is the scenario idea. And we have 2 candles, 15 candles bullish. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. Do. Okay, we're heading down once again. No volume, no action, no action. No action. Doo-doo, doo-doo, boom. Do you think it's worth looking more to no, I'm not looking to 2 hour. There's no 2 hour here. So I just look 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour, yeah. Alright, no bottom wick. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. No bueno. Possibly buy. Yeah, possibly buy, but I don't like the closure of the body. It should be like this, at least. But as you can see, the body closure is small. So for me, if the body close small like this, indicate you that there is no potential buys yet. No buyers. The buyers is getting weaker. Right? So as you can see, the candle didn't drive up because the buyers is getting weaker. But if the body close like this, at least, yeah, there is high chance that we're gonna move up. Right now, no buys. Yeah, we're gonna wait. Waiting is the name of the game. Even I didn't take any trades today, it's fine for me. I need to sit in my hands and follow my rules, follow my plan. Not every day chat is a trading day. So you need to be mind that not every day is a trading day. All right? Not every day is a trading day. You need to see the market first. How the markets move. You need to understand trading is a business. All right, trading is a business, man. You need to change your mindset. Not every time you're gonna take trades because patience and discipline equals profits, and impulse and impatience equals big losses. Right? So once again, patience and discipline equals profit. Impatience and impulse decision equals big losses. So keep in mind, chat. Keep in mind, man. Once it happens to you, probably you're gonna remember me, right? When it happens, you're probably gonna remember me when you have patience and discipline, now you took profits. Once it happens, you impatience and impulse take some impulse decision. You're probably gonna take the big losses. Yeah, that's why I'm here, showing up to you guys, showing up every single day for you guys to learn, right? Not to earn, right? We're not here to make $1 million in a day. We're here to adapt. We're here to learn every single day for free, man. Right, for free. So make sure, guys, you like the stream and subs to the channel. I'm doing this for you guys, for the community. I'm not doing this for myself. I'm doing this for the community because every single day I'm learning. I'm learning with you guys. And I'm showing you guys my strategy, relying to my strategy, how I'm patient, how we discipline. And YouTube, YouTube doesn't want me to monetize, and I don't care if the YouTube block me or whatever. I'm still gonna do what I do. I'm not gonna earn money in YouTube. Even I hit 100k subs, I'm not gonna earn money in YouTube. I'm just here to educate you guys, to help you guys. So yeah, like the stream, support to the channel. Re-break once again. Re-break the high here. We're now moving up. We move up, re-break the high. 3 minutes for this candle to close. But the 30 is still open here. 1 hour is moving up. And we are in the middle of the range. No, I'm not gonna touch anything. I'm not gonna touch anything. Either you push further up like this. I'm not gonna touch you. I'm not gonna touch you. Oh. Impulse is good here, but too late. Too late to come. Too late, too late, too late. If this candle closed without top wick, yeah, we probably gonna ride the bus. One minute chat. If this candle close no top wick, flip bullish again. 4 hours about to close. 1 hour still open. Retesting again the high. Let's see. Pay attention, chat. Probably no close, no top wick closure here. But we have volume, so yeah. No top wick. Taking sell here, chat. Taking sell here on price. No top wick. So for the meantime, I'm gonna put my stop here, right? Stop here. But if this candle push up, I'm probably gonna move up, move stops here. Yeah, I'm in, chat. Can you flip now? Oh. Mm-mm. 11 minutes for the candles to close, the 1 hour candle close, the 4 hour candle close. So yeah, man. Let's see. And if the candle close bullish above here, there is a high chance that you're gonna create a bottom wick enable for you to push up here. Steeper bottom wick, and then we're gonna out of the trade right here. The 4 hour candles too. Chat, I'm adding one more position here. Price. Same stops up here. Yeah, might still bullish, but the 1 hour is still open here. So if this 1 hour close bullish, it's fine. If we're gonna create bottom wick, that's the trade. I'm gonna go out of the trade here. But let's see. It's either stops or it's either win. It's either break even. That's the trade. Once we close back in the range again, man, we have clean traffic here on price to push down further. At least there. So drawdown is part of a game. So still you need to sit your hands in drawdown. Sometimes it comes, sometimes it's not. Late candle, late 1 hour candle. Three minutes for the close. 3 minutes for the close. Ay. Wow. Pumping up here. Very nice. So the 30 minutes over stretch already. You see bottom wicks on the next candle. If not, yeah, I probably hit the stops. But if you create a bottom wick, yeah, I'm probably gonna go out of the trade. But if this candle keep pushing up here, yeah, I'll probably hit the stops. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo. Bullish buyers. Too many bullish today. Too many buyers today. Late candle. Late candle. Late candle. Late candle. 30 seconds for the closure. If we don't see steeper bottom wick, yeah, we're probably gonna hit the stops here like this. But if we see steeper bottom wick, yeah, probably go out of the trade. So pay attention, chat. Pay attention. Close above the range. Yeah, once you re-break the high, we see move up. New 4 hour candle too. Yeah. So once we see re-break the high on the 4, yeah, we probably didn't create steeper. If we create a little bit steeper here, yeah, probably go out here. Steeper. $15 close above the range. 30 close above the range, but it's overstretched in the 30. Let's see, 1 hour close to let's see, man. If this 15 go back in the range, yeah, we still have chance to push further down. But you push up, man, we're done. We're gone. Choo-choo. Oy. Need to re-break the low. No volume. No volume. Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo. Chat, pay attention for closure, all right? So pay attention for the closure. Flip bullish again. Very nice. Seven minutes for candle to close. Sitting with a drawdown, chat. How's the feeling, chat? How's the feeling, man? Yeah, sometimes you need to feel drawdown. Sometimes you need to feel winning. Yeah, it's a roller coaster ride. Let's see in 6 minutes here if this candle close back in the range. Yeah. But if not, we probably gonna hit stops. And that's it. 1 hour close bullish, 4 hour bullish. So once you re-break the high here, we're gone. We're gone. We are gone. Ugh. All right, re-break the high there. Re-break the eye. How is Dubai right now? Dubai is hot. Dubai hot right now. Rebreak the high didn't push through. Once you rebreak the low, you will see move. Yeah, once we rebreak the low, we see move down. In 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Japan weather ganda. Yeah, man. I believe it's cold there right now, right? I wanna come there in Japan, but there's a problem with the visa. So if I got visa, I'm gonna come to the Japan, bro. I wanna eat ramen there, man. The legit ramen. Legit one. Because I've seen a lot of people eating ramen from the streets, like in Philippines, like the same with the Paris thing outside the street. So I wanna try that. Alright, chat, we're heading down here, so pay attention for the close. Alright. One more spike. Can we spike further down now? No? Okay. So we're gonna wait for this candle, 50-minute candle, to close. Once close, bearish and move down further. Yeah, probably that's the one. Or probably closing. This candle close without bottom wick. I'm probably gonna close the trade. But if there's bottom wick, yeah, probably hold that. Only spike down here. Spike down. 50 seconds. Chat, if you're in the profit right now, you can close that trade. But for me, I'm gonna wait here for this candle. Let's see what will happen here. Didn't close back in the range. I didn't close any profit. I want to see this re-break once again. So, yeah. All right, good closure here. I want to see top wick and then flip down. Once you re-break the previous candle low, yeah, gonna spike down here. Clean range on the left. You see move. Yes, yeah. Let's see. Flip and go back in the range. Once you flip bearish, push further down, yeah, you'll see move. How many of you guys still on the trade? Yeah, let's see. Let's see. If this candle didn't flip, yeah, probably gonna push up. But I flip, nice. If it flip, nice. But if not, not nice. B, yeah. W. Yeah, I'm still on the trade chat. I'm still on the trade. Let's see. Let's see, man. You go back in the range here in the 15, which is nice. So we're gonna wait here to flip. Once this candle flip, melt down, yeah, we'll take a chance to go out of the trade and take profit there. Bam, bam, bam. Clear candle close. Yeah, any close above here is good, but you have resistance here now. Doom, doom, doom. This trade is gonna be a little bit swing. Little bit swing. Yeah, I see 10 pip profit here. Yeah, 13 pip profit, a 10 pip profit I see, but I don't want to close because, we go back in the range, and once you re-break here, you'll see move at least here, right? Dun, dun, dun. Can you re-break the lows? No? Okay. Once you re-break the low, you'll see move, chat. So I'm gonna wait for re-break of the low. Any given time now. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Didn't re-break the low. If you see pops, yeah, it'll pop. Okay, go up the range again. 7 minutes again. No volume. Once the 30 close back in the range, that's good. But if not, yeah, I'm probably gonna sit my hands and hit the stops today. 5 minutes. Again, printing kernel side by side on 15. Probably, yeah. Re-break the high again. Yeah, re-break the high, you'll move up. You will move up. No good. 30 minutes about to close. And close above again. You have minor resistance level here. Yeah, it's bullish now because of the 4-hour late candle. So once you re-break the high on 4, yeah, you will see move up. 1 hour, create a steeper bottom wick. Yeah, once you re-break this, you'll see pops up. And that's the one, that's the trade. I've seen 10 pips in profit, but I don't close. I didn't close, but it's fine, man. Part of a game. It is what it is. Part of a game. Alright, we're pumping up. Pump, a pump, a pump, pump, a pump. No top wick again. Cool. Oh, there is top wick. No top wick closure. No top wick. No, there's top wick. Almost hit chat. Almost 11 pip away. Let's see. Almost, almost. All right, man. Pushing down. What's that? New scandal? What? Big drop. What is the new scandal? There's no news, right? Oh, perfectly. Big candles dropping. Big candles. Can you drop further more? News? We don't have news. New Wednesday. Yeah, no news on this time. Probably volume, session volume. But yeah, once you flip, we're done. We are done. Dun, dun, dun. Let's see here, chat. Let's see. Let's see. What will happen now? Hit the stops or we're just at least profit? A lot of volume here. A lot of volume here. On this candle, what will happen, man? 24 pip move. Open of the 30. Okay. Open of the 30. Oh, can you push now, Goldie? Can we push further down, Goldie? Oi. Uh, 7 minutes, chat. 7 minutes for close. Give me a second. All right, we push down, chat. Probably closing here at 10 pips, chat, and profit. I closed there 10 pips. We out of the trade. They don't like the momentum now. If we move down, we move down. I don't gonna participate. So 10 pips close here at 10 pips. We move down, we move down. No good. The price action today was tough, chat. But if you re-break the previous candle low on the this 30, man, you see move down here. But yeah, any given time, this candle will react here and push further up. So yeah, need to manage the trade because this is the second time, right? Probably the third time. So this is the first one, right? First one didn't push through here at least, and the second time here didn't push through once again, and then this third time, yeah, probably this is the one that you're gonna push further down. But this is the late candle volume. I don't like this. But yeah, 10 pips to re-break the previous candle low there already. Yeah, man. Push further down. Oh. Wow. Wow, man. Yeah. That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. The one and only. Yeah, 10 pips a day, chat. 10 pips today. But yeah, we're gonna take that. I'm gonna take that. I am gonna take the 10 pips. So we probably what's the trade? This one is impulse. No top wick. Yeah, 10 pips today. Today, 10 pips only. Gonna take that 10 pips to 30, no 15. Week entries. Injection Excel. Gold. London. We took that 1 p.m. right? 1 p.m. And 6/4/2025. Yeah, chat. Double is in the chat, gang. If you got that trade, hold that into drawdown. Take pineapples up here. So yeah. I mean, I cannot complain. The market gives us there. The market wants us to be drawdown. So yeah, I cannot complain. It's part of a game. Then lang. So no 46 wins. So yeah, W's, man. W patience there. We took the trades. Yeah. Went to drawdown. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Mentally tired, chat. Mentally, right? So now you know. Trading is really hard. Trading is not just easy. Trading is hard, tough, sitting into drawdown. Right? So yeah, it's part of a game. But yeah. It's part of a game, chat. It's part of a game, but at least we took some profits today, right? I've been waiting this we top one time, didn't push through. We top second time, didn't push through here at least. Now the third time it top, it went through that. At least 20, 30 pips in profit. but I don't wanna sit into drawdown once again here, right? But yeah, 30 minutes probably. Once the 30 close or 15 close once again here, you'll see move once you close below the range. But yeah, so yeah, chat, that's the trade there. That's the stream. Probably gonna see you guys tomorrow. See you guys. Yeah, man. See you guys tomorrow, chat. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. See you guys. If you're gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss and don't over trade, don't over risk. Right, for me, I probably gonna trade late. Let's see if there's a potential trade and gonna take that. But yeah, that's our day today, chat. Thank you guys for coming. See you guys tomorrow, man. Love and wisdom. Peace out. I'm out here, gang. Love you guys. Peace, peace, peace. W's all the way out. W's in the chat.
Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey.